Good morning, my friends. Good morning, Mr. Herdi. Today we are from Group 1. I am Eliati Rosalia Nenggolan, and Rosita will present about language environments. We will try explain about language environment. The first, definition of language environment. The second, purpose of language environment. The third, main factors of influence the language environment. Definition of language environment. Language environment encompasses everything the language learners hears and sees in the new language. Purpose of language environment. The first, it holds very important roles in the success of language learners. The second, the responsibility of the second language teachers to create a good language environment to their students. The third, it can be done by incorporating language environment features into curriculum objective, teaching technique, and material. The next, Rosita will be explained.
Okay, main factor of influence the language environment. A. Naturalness of the language heard. B. The learner's role in communication. C. The availability of concrete reference to clarify meaning. D. Who the target model are, and then example is salience, and B. Feedback. C. Frequency. Macro-environmental factors. A naturalness of the language heard. The natural language environment happen when the focus of the speaker is on the concept of the communication. If the focus on a speaker is on the form, the language, it meaning the language environment is formal. B. The learner's role in communication. There are three types of communication where the learners take part in it. They are one-way communication. The learner listens or read but do not respond verbally. Restrict two-way communication. The learner listens and respond, but the responses are either not verbal or not in the target language. And the last, in full two-way communication, the learners respond in the target language. C. The availability of concrete reference to clarify meaning. Concrete reference refer to any subject and even then can be seen, heard, or felt while the language is being used. D. Who the target model are. There are many speaker models available. Anyone who speaks the target language can be a potential model. The model can be the learner's peer, the teacher, the parents, and the analytic groups. Then, micro-environmental factors. Salience. Salience refers to particular characteristics that seem to make an item for visual or auditory superior than another. The characteristics include the amount of phonetic suggestion, whether the item is a syllable or not, the stress level on an item, the amount of emphatic placed on it, and the item's position in the sentence. B. Feedback. Feedback refers to the listener or reader's